No, this is not a live stream. I want to show you how you can improve the quality of your web camera by getting another web camera. Yeah, I mean additional web camera or your existing web camera. Like this one. I am currently using the Insta360 ONE R as a web camera, and you can see how much the difference is. In this video, we will see how we can do that if you have got a Insta360 camera after this intro. So this is Insta360 ONE R, an amazing 360 camera. But if you buy the twin edition, you also get a 4K mod because it is a modular design, and then you can use this camera as an action camera like a GoPro camera, and many people use it for motor vlogging. But there is one more use of this camera which many of us will appreciate, especially in these times when most of us are either working from home or attending online classes. So we can use the Insta360 ONE R as a webcam and get better footage than the web camera, the inbuilt web camera on our laptop. And I will show you how easy it is to set up the Insta360 ONE R as a web camera. And obviously you can use the 360 mod also for a webcam to, if you want to show the 360 view, but not all of us want to do that. We just want to use a simple camera which is better than our webcam. So let me set this camera up in 4K mod and then we'll talk. So I have assembled the 4K mod onto this camera, and I've also attached it to a Gorilla Pod because when you will be using it as a web camera, you would want something to stand on the table and point towards you. And then you will require the cable, the Type-C cable, because this is a Type-C camera. It has a Type-C slot, and you also get a Type-C to Type-A cable in the box. So before connecting this device to your laptop, you need to make sure that it is in webcam mode. You can do it from the settings area of the camera, and you can access it by swiping down on the screen and then swiping left 2 times. You will find general, and under that you will find the USB mode, which you can set to webcam. Once you are done with that, you can continue connecting the cable to the camera and the other end of the cable to your laptop. If you have got a laptop that has a Type-C connection, such as a MacBook, you can use something like this if you want to use the cable provided in the box, or you can use a Type-C to Type-C cable. I have got it with my iPad, but you can also buy it separately. If you do not want to go to the dongle route, then you can use something like this. So now I will connect the Type-C cable, and the other end of the Type-C cable would go into my laptop. Now that I have connected the Insta360 ONE R camera to my laptop, I'll show you how you can choose it as a webcam. You can do it in any software you want to use, like if you are using Zoom or Google Meet or Skype. This option is available everywhere in the video settings. I will show you it in QuickTime because that's the software I currently have. I will go to new movie recording. Now this video that you are seeing on your computer screen is from the web camera, the inbuilt web camera of my MacBook Pro. And the cameras on MacBook Pro, the web cameras on MacBook Pro are the best web cameras available out there, at least as of recording this video. But even then, the quality is not that great because it is not full HD. It is 720p, and also there is some noise in the video. So let me select the Insta360 ONE R, which I can do it from here. And now it covers the entire screen because it is full HD. Since this is a 4K mods, 4K lens, it is recording the entire area, my entire room. So obviously you will have to be cautious if you want to use it in online classes or in Zoom calls. You will have to be cautious of what is showing in the background. You can fix this easily by keeping this camera close to you, and since it is not dependent on the lid of your laptop screen, you can place it anywhere. Like I can place it like this or even closer to me. So this is a not great positioning of a web camera. This probably is. So now I have a better view, and it is much better than the inbuilt camera. The quality of the video is much better than it was on the inbuilt camera of the MacBook Air. So the video is obviously much better than the built-in cameras. I wouldn't recommend it to only use it for webcam, although you can consider it a point if you are willing to buy it, because it's a great camera. I've already talked about different features, especially the 360 features in my previous video. You can check it out. I'll put the link somewhere on the iCards. So this is it. If you like this video, you can thumbs it up. It will help the channel, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like these, or make your tech life easy. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.